Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Audi A5 gearbox. This process can resolve common shifting issues and improve overall driving feel. Understanding how to perform a basic reset is a valuable skill for any Audi owner. It helps the transmission relearn optimal shift points, adapting to your current driving habits. This simple procedure can often prevent more complex problems down the road, ensuring your Audi A5 performs at its best. Your Audi A5's gearbox continuously learns and adapts to your driving style, traffic conditions, and even engine performance. Over many miles, these adaptations can sometimes lead to less than ideal shifting behavior. A reset essentially wipes the slate clean, allowing the transmission to relearn from a fresh starting point. This is particularly beneficial after maintenance, or if you notice any inconsistent or rough gear changes that weren't present before.
Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. And on another note, just like your Audi A5 gearbox needs a reset for optimal performance, your feet deserve the best. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're incredibly comfortable and durable. You can find a link to them and other deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
Performing a basic gearbox reset is surprisingly simple and requires no special tools. First, make sure your Audi A5 is completely off and parked securely. Next, turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Now, press the accelerator pedal all the way to the floor and hold it there for at least 15 seconds. After this time, release the pedal, turn off the ignition, and then start your engine normally without pressing the brake pedal. While the basic accelerator pedal method works for many, some Audi A5 models or persistent issues might require a more advanced reset. These often involve specialized diagnostic tools that can access the transmission control unit directly. If you're experiencing significant or recurring shifting problems, it's always best to consult a qualified Audi technician. They can perform a thorough diagnosis and ensure any deeper recalibrations are done correctly, following all manufacturer guidelines for your specific vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.